Greece has reportedly received a series of defense collaboration offers from South Korea, including plans to build and co-produce the KSS-III submarines, also referred to as the Chang-ho class, according to Greek media outlet Aegean. The KSS-III is capable of deploying Konryong cruise missiles and can launch Hyunmoo 4-4 ballistic missiles from its vertical launch system, boasting a range of roughly 500 kilometers and a payload of 1 ton. These submarines, developed entirely by South Korea, signify the next generation of conventionally powered vessels for the Republic of Korea Navy. Measuring 83.5 meters in length with a submerged displacement of 3,705 tons, the submarines combine diesel-electric propulsion with domestically produced fuel cells, granting an underwater endurance of about 20 days. Their expanded size allows for greater supplies, longer missions at sea, enhanced payload capacity, and improved stealth capabilities. Greek Defense Minister Nikos Dendias indicated in late June that Athens would begin discussions regarding the acquisition of new-generation submarines, highlighting the need for careful and transparent management of public funds. While Greece intends to modernize its 4 Papanikolis-class Type 214 submarines, older Type 209 models in the Poseidon, Okeanos, and Glavkos classes may be replaced as part of a broader upgrade. For Greece, these developments are crucial to maintaining a strategic balance with Turkey, whose navy operates 12 submarines across the Altay, Gur, and Perviz classes, with an additional 6 Type 214/TN Reis-class vessels under construction, alongside domestic submarine programs like Milden and Nukten. Aegean notes that Athens views naval modernization as essential for preserving its strategic edge in the Aegean and Mediterranean. While Greece has not finalized technical specifications for future submarines, local reports suggest that missile launching capability is a priority. The KSS-III meets this need, offering both cruise missile deployment and a vertical launch system capable of launching Hyunmoo 4-4 ballistic missiles. This setup aligns with South Korea's Korea Massive Punishment and Retaliation (KMPR) strategy, giving the submarine sea-based land attack potential. South Korea's proposal, spearheaded by Hanwha Ocean, includes modernizing the 4 Papanikolis-class submarines and supplying 4 KSS-III units. The package features technology transfer for local construction and mandates at least 25% participation from Greek defense industries. Additionally, the offer encompasses joint production of military vehicles and collaboration on combat drone projects compatible with Korea Aerospace Industries' KF-21 Boramae fighter aircraft. Athens has requested detailed technical, industrial, and financial information, emphasizing domestic production and strategic autonomy. This move by Seoul is part of the EU's SAFE initiative, promoting industrial cooperation and expanding defense manufacturing within Europe. It also presents an opportunity for South Korea to strengthen its footprint in the European defense sector through high-tech partnerships. For Greece, the proposal provides a potential alternative to European shipbuilders, offering faster modernization and increased industrial independence. Ultimately, Greece's decision will hinge on costs, delivery timelines, and the evaluation of competing bids, with efficiency and fiscal responsibility at the forefront.